Hi guys, it's Azra here, and I'm here to show you a super fun tutorial today. We actually posted a photo of this on our social media a few weeks ago, and everyone was so excited and kept asking us for a tutorial video on how to do it, so I'm here to show you how. Sometimes my braids just aren't as thick as I'd like them to be, so I'm going to be using a few wefts from my 220 gram off black Luxys today. First, you're going to grab a 1-clip weft and separate some of your hair towards the front and clip in the 1-clip weft towards the back. This is going to make sure that your French braid towards the middle is going to be nice and thick. Section off some hair towards the front of your face and separate it into 3 strands. Now you're going to start French braiding towards the back. Take the left strand and cross it over the middle strand. Then take the right strand and cross it over the middle strand. Add a little bit of hair on the left side, join it with the left strand, and cross that over the middle. And you're going to do the exact same thing on the right side and just keep braiding towards the back. Once you reach the crown of your head, secure it off with an elastic, and now you have a beautiful French braid going up the middle of your head. Grab 2 1-clip wefts, and you're going to clip these wefts in just under the braid at the back. In order to create a nice, full, thick, messy bun, backcomb the hair first, just to create more volume. Then twist the hair on itself and secure with the bobby pin. To add a little bit more drama, we're going to add a few twists on the sides, so just grab some hair from the left side of your braid and start twisting towards the back. Secure at the back with a bobby pin, and do the exact same thing on the right side. You can either leave your hair as is, or in order to add some glam and drama, you can curl your hair. Once you've curled your hair, to give it that natural bouncy look, just brush the curls out a little bit, and this is just going to give it some soft waves. And that's it. So as you can see, this is a super fun new take on a messy bun with a little added braid, and it's great if you have short hair. So I hope you guys try the style out. Let us know in the comments if you want to see anything else, and we'll see you next time.